Welcome to Simple Daily English. Max, look at this. Just look at my hair. It's a disaster.
I'm looking, Lily. It looks fine to me. It's very blonde.
Fine? Max, it's a mess. The color is still bright, but look at the ends. They are so dry. They feel like straw.
Straw? That's a bit dramatic, don't you think?
No, I haven't had a haircut in 6 months. 6 whole months, Max.
Okay. I see it now. Maybe a little bit dry.
I'm so nervous. I want to go inside, but my legs won't move. What if the stylist hates it? What if she cuts too much?
Relax. Take a deep breath. Hang on a second.
I can't relax. My hair is my thing. Once it's gone, it's gone.
Lily, listen to me. I need a haircut too. Look at my neck. I look like a bear.
You do have a bit of a mane growing back there.
Exactly. So we are in this together. I'm going in, and you're coming with me. No excuses?
You promise you won't let me run away if I see the scissors?
I promise. I'll handle it. I'll sit in the chair right next to you.
Okay, you're right. It's just hair. It's not a big deal, right?
Exactly. It's not a big deal. It grows back. Now, let's go. They are waiting for us.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go inside.
That's the spirit. After you, Lily.
Max, look at these pictures in this magazine. Do you think blonde hair looks better short or long?
I'm looking. Honestly, I think your blonde hair would look great as a bob. It would be very bright and modern.
A bob? Max, that is a huge change. My long blonde hair is my signature. People know me because of it.
I know. But change is good, Lily. Plus, you're always complaining it gets caught in your backpack.
That's true. It gets stuck everywhere. But I'm still nervous. What if I look like a mushroom? A bright blonde mushroom?
You won't look like a mushroom. You have a great face for short hair. It will make your eyes look bigger.
Do you really think so? Or are you just trying to get me to go first because you're scared too?
I'm being 100% honest. But remember, once the scissors go snip, there is no going back. There is no undo button in real life.
Thanks, Max. That is very helpful. My heart is beating even faster now. Maybe I should just trim 1 centimeter off the ends.
1 centimeter? That's not a haircut, Lily. That's a waste of money. Be brave.
Easy for you to say. You're just getting a number 2 on the sides. Your hair is short already.
Hey, my hair is important too. I have a very specific head shape. If it's too short, I look like a light bulb.
Lily, we are ready for you. Please come this way to the sink.
This is it. Wish me luck, Max. Don't let me run out the back door.
You'll be fine. I'll stay right here. I'll handle it if there is an emergency.
So, Lily, what are we doing today? Just a little trim for this beautiful blonde hair?
I was thinking about something different, something bold, something very short.
Oh, I love that idea. Blonde hair looks amazing in a short bob. It looks very chic.
Let's do it. Chop it off to the chin. I want to feel like a new person.
Are you sure? You have about 10 inches of hair here. Do you want to take a photo of the before look first?
No, no photos. Just do it. Let's go.
Don't be scared. Open your eyes. It's looking great already. It feels much lighter, right?
Wow, it does feel light. My head feels empty? No, just light.
What can I do for you today, sir? A simple trim?
Just the usual. Short on the sides, a little bit off the top.
You have very thick hair. Do you want to try something new? Maybe a high fade? It's very popular in the city right now.
A high fade? Well, Lily is being bold. I should be bold too. Let's do the fade.
That's the spirit. I'll make you look like a movie star.
There you go. What do you think, Lily?
Wow, I look so different. I love how the blonde color looks now. It's so much brighter without the dead ends.
It suits your face perfectly. Do you want to see the back with the hand mirror?
Yes, it's perfect. It's so clean and sharp. Thank you so much, Sarah. Max, is that actually you?
Lily, look at you. That blonde bob is incredible. You look like a professional model.
Thank you. I feel like one. But Max, your hair, where did it go?
What? Is it too short? David called it a high fade. I can feel the air on my skin.
It's not too short, but it is very short. I can see your ears from across the room.
I think I look like an action movie star. Or a soldier.
Definitely a soldier, Max. You look ready for a mission.
Hey, do the math, Lily. Short hair means I save 5 minutes every morning. I don't even need a comb.
That's true. No more messy bedhead for you. You are always running late, so this will help.
Exactly. And look at you. That blonde color really shines in this style. You look very sophisticated.
I feel sophisticated. I feel like I should go buy a fancy coffee and visit an art gallery.
Let's go pay. My head feels very cold now. Is the air conditioning on at maximum power?
No, Max, that's just the feeling of having no hair. Oh no, Max, I think I forgot my purse in your car. I was so nervous about the haircut that I left it on the seat.
Don't worry. I'll handle it. It's my treat today. Consider it a gift for your new look.
Are you sure? Haircuts for women are much more expensive than for men.
It's not a big deal. We had a fun morning. And you look much happier than you did 20 minutes ago.
You are a great friend, Max. even if you do look like you are going to basic training now.
At your service, Lily? Whoa, you're right. It is freezing out here. My scalp is shivering.
Hang on. I have a spare hat in my bag.
This is a very bright hat, Lily. I look like a giant traffic cone.
Well, we are both bold today, aren't we? A short blonde bob and a soldier haircut. We need to stand out.
Very true. Let's go get that fancy coffee.
And a donut. I think we deserve a treat after all that emotional stress.
I agree. A chocolate one for me.
We are running late for the bus, so we have to be quick.
No problem. With my new aerodynamic head and your short hair, we can run twice as fast.
Let's see about that. Race you to the cafe.